Hello, I'm in a 2015 Hyundai Elantra, and today I'm going to show you to connect your phone Bluetooth to your vehicle interface. So first, to make sure the vehicle's on, which it currently is, and then you can do setup, or you can just do this phone button, whichever, that'll get you to this screen. And then we're going to add new, and you may have to delete a device first, which it's prompting me to do here because you can only have so many. So yes, just whatever one, delete. Alright, so now we've got room, so we'll try to pair a new device again. And then from your device, make sure you got Bluetooth on.
Turn Bluetooth on from your device in order to search.
Typically, you can get to the pairing menu by holding pair new device. So now it should be
on
searching.
Your device, select the name that matches vehicle name on the screen.
And this is Elantra. So we'll just wait till it shows up. It may take a few tries. Sometimes technology is a little weird. In which case you'd have to like restart your phone, maybe restart the car. But we'll select that. And then that's starting to work on both ends. It's got this random numbers it generated which match. So we'll hit pair. And we should be set. So now you should be able to listen to music and things like that through the car, take calls. But otherwise I hope that's helpful. And see, yep, there's Bluetooth audio, so you can show so you see that it plays music. But I hope that's helpful. I hope you have a wonderful day.